Okay, the next bit is to sort out what happens when we change the quantity. Now if you think about it, the quantity is the thing that actually drives all the other totals. Not only does it drive the cost of that particular row, over by here, it also drives the total quantity box by here. Now by driving the total quantity box and the cost box here, you're driving the subtotal box. The postage and packing is linked to how many items are chosen, so it's driving that box there. Now by driving all those three, it's also driving the invoice total. So the quantity is the most key element of the whole thing. So we'll do this in bite-sized chunks. What we'll do first is we'll actually work out what the cost is going to be. Okay. Now the cost is very simple. It's the number that we've ordered multiplied by the unit price that we set last time. Okay. So we'll double-click the quantity box to start, and we set up another subroutine here. Now then, the first thing we need to do is to actually change our unit cost into a number. Well, in fact, what we're going to do is we're going to do this the easy way. We're going to give ourselves a unit cost box. We're going to dimension that as a number, and we're going to set it equal to 0. It's always a good idea to set our variables equal to 0 or to a blank, just to start them off, because you don't really know what's in there. Call me old-fashioned if you like. Oh, you have. Right. Unit cost then is going to become the value of unit 1.text multiplied by the value of quantity 1.text. Now we have to change these into values because they're no longer they're not numbers, they're strings. Okay, right, that's okay. We've actually done our sum and we've worked out. Now good practice is we put that back and pop it back in there. So cost 1 is going to be equal to the string this time of unit cost. Okay, let's just check that that works. Ooh, didn't like that, did we? No. The reason it didn't like that was because I forgot to put in which element of cost 1. Now this is a common error. Okay, you always when you're using one of the global variables that appear on your form, you always have to say which element of it you're actually changing. Okay, I forgot to do that time. Let me run it again. And here we go. So, we choose our computer, the unit price updates, we change our quantity to 4, and there we go, there's the cost. If I then change this, nothing changes because the key to this is picking a new quantity. Okay, something worth bearing in mind when we come to design the form in real life. Just close that.